everyone, and welcome to my channel for this hopefully quick review slash demo slash nail design video for Born Pretty store. So first I have this really gorgeous nude orange gel polish, and upon applying, as you see here, the first layer, I discovered that this polish, I believe, is to be a one-step gel polish. Now I did like the fact that after I did cure it, I didn't need to apply any sort of top coat on it at all, even though I did because I wanted my nails to last a little bit longer. So here I'm just showing you the finishes of both of the gel polishes I received from Born Pretty store. The matte finish is called Frosted Plastic, and the glossy finish is called Previous Gum. And one thing I did notice with the glossy finish one, the Previous Gum one, there was pulling around my side walls and my cuticle, which meant that I had to work really fast when applying this polish. I don't know if it was just me or if that happens to other people who've tried the gel polishes from Born Pretty store. Well, moving on to the stamping plate. Now this is a Valentine's Day stamping plate, which I absolutely love this stamping plate. You guys know, even though it has a lot of images that are more suited for Valentine's, you can use this plate for anything throughout the year, from spring to summer, whatever little special occasion that you may have coming up. So what I did is I took the tweezers, which I love too. I call them like my oil slick tweezers, which I also got from Born Pretty store for review. I removed the blue film, even though I know I don't need to show this in the video. I'm going to show it again because it's been a while since I've actually showed this, I think, in a video where I'm reviewing products or just using new stamping plates. I'm taking the tweezers, removing that blue film, and then I'm going to take some acetone on a cotton round and wipe off any residue that could be left over from the sticky film that was on the image plate. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking some black stamping polish and applying it to the text image on the Valentine's Day stamping plate. What I was going for is kind of like that newspapery feel, if that makes sense, which I'll kind of explain a little bit more in a few moments here. So what I'm basically going to do is just apply the stamping polish, go ahead and I'm scraping the polish away with my Born Pretty store scraper, and I'm going to be using a clear stamper to pick the image up. I was just trying to show you guys how it looked on the clear stamper. That was actually what I was going for. You know how sometimes newspaper font isn't exactly perfect? That's what I wanted. I wanted kind of like that old English text, looks like it was written like years ago type of feel for this particular nail design. And basically what I did, because I did not like the fact that Frosted Plastic was a matte gel, I applied a gel top coat, which is a glossy gel top coat, to it to seal in the stamping polish and make the gel underneath glossy. Overall, I do love the way the design turned out because it's super duper simple. Hopefully you guys will try these products out. Links are already below in the description box. Thank you, Born Pretty store, for allowing me to review these products. And as always, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!